Senator Ping, para ho sa inyo, sino ho ba ang sabihin natin worth it o dapat na ikonsidera na state witness at maipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program?
At this point, between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Bryce Hernandez. Kasi si Diskaya kept on lying even up to, late afternoon. Laging against yung sa kanya talaga self-preservation eh. And namimili lang siya. Remember, Pinky, I even brought up the issue of, the 207 billion na amount of contracts awarded dito, completed projects since 2016 to 2025. Over a period of 10 years, 207 billion, 250 million pesos. And nag-spike ito starting 2017, 2018, bumaba ng konti 2019 because of the vetoed 95 billion.
Yeah.
And then umakit ulit siya ng 2020, 2021
I remember
in
you
spite
said
of the
that.
COVID.
At nagtaka ka nga dahil COVID nun. Right.
Correct. Tapos nag-spike ulit siya ng 2023, 2024.
Okay.
Ang tataas naman ng kanyang kontrata.